This is INFINIX Hot 20, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So that's the goal that we are going to achieve with the help of the third-party app called Caffeine. So let's download and install it real quick. Simply open up the Play Store, connect your phone to Wi-Fi, find this particular app, and then install it, of course. Now let's go ahead and launch it, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout option over here has been set to the value that says infinite, and as long as you do not close the app and it stays active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.